Department, Professor Seki Aima P. Sultan. The rest of the faculty members of the Social Work Department and other members of the faculty from other colleges and departments. Maraming salamat. We are looking forward of seeing you on April 26, 2025 for our 11th graduation ceremonies. Once again, this has been the 11th LCCI 2025 Recognition Day. Assalamualaikum and shukran. To thank the organizers, the school administrative staff in the presence of our very active student of the year, most active practicumer of the year, loyalty award, the in Saminuri.
Bakit akong kape?
Malabat Jamina Yu, best in group work practice, most exemplary student, best in field instruction practice, most active practicumer of the year, best in CO field instruction, agency outstanding intern of the year, Malabat City Jamina Yu. Aji Abdullah Yasmin, most cooperative team member, outstanding intern of the year, best in field instruction practice, most improved intern, agency outstanding intern, most active team member, loyalty awardee, Haji Abdullah Yasmin M. Tarutawan Hamida, best in casework field instruction, college participative student, agency service awardee, most active practicumer of the year, most versatile student, most dedicated student, loyalty awardee, Tarutawan Hamida.